welcome back to Just Having Fun. Today, pork loin roast rib ends. First time I've ever seen it in the market, had to grab it, throw it on the smoker. Let's check it out. Have you ever seen this before? I never have. All right, well, let's get it seasoned up, throw it on the smoker, give it a taste test, see what we got. Today we're going to keep it simple. Salt, pepper, sweet rub of mine, one of my favorites. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing below, and subscribe if you're not already. Today, we're using the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. Love this smoker. Perfect smoke, beautiful smoke ring, and just an amazing taste every time. At this setting, it stays right at about 250 for me. This cook, it stayed about 225. It's a little colder out. I let it cook for about 5 hours, pulled it out, was right at temp. Here's the end result. It's more of a baby back rib roast, if that's what they should have labeled it. Delicious, tender, a few different cuts of meat in there. Smoke ring was nice, temperature was good, moisture is perfect. It was delicious. Thanks for watching. If you see this cut of meat in the market, grab it, smoke it, and eat it. It's good.